You may know that northern Nigeria is one of the most dangerous places in the world to be a Christian. They came through, they killed 17 people. Wow. At night, attackers came and attacked the pastor of this church and his family. He lived over here. They burned his home. They took him and his family, walked them over to these rocks over here, where they killed them and beheaded them. ADF International is committed to turning this around. Living out their Christian faith can be a life or death situation for many of the Nigerian clients that we help. I traveled there recently